What's up guys, Crypto Wolf here. How you guys doing? In this particular video, I'm going to be showing you my ninja hack for setting stop loss in crypto trading. You see, a lot of people don't really know how to set stop loss and it really affects their trade. And because of that, a lot of people don't bother setting stop loss. Like they just leave their trade like that, which is a terrible idea. You see, the most some traders even believe that the market is on the hunt for their stop loss. Like it's as if there's an invisible hand, like whales are hunting for their stop loss to trigger it and then move the price higher. Most of the times, the reason is because of the way people set their stop loss. So it makes it easy for it to be triggered. And secondly, where they buy from, as in their buying point. Because in trading, your buying point is critical to determining your stop loss price, your stop loss, your stop loss, your stop loss area. So if you don't buy well, there is always going to be that possibility that you set stop loss at the wrong place, which makes it very easy for your stop loss to get triggered. So in this particular video, I'll be showing you to the right way to set your stop loss so that you avoid it being triggered and you can at least make some money off the market. So if you're ready, let's dive into it. So if you look at this point, okay, this is the point I want to use for reference. This particular point here. So if you notice, this was support, came here, tested support, then built support here, tested support here, then support here, then before it continued going. So the key to setting your stop loss in the right manner is to ensure that you buy at support point. That's the key. You buy at support point, then you sell when that support is broken. If there is a 2 to 5% breakdown from that support point, then you exit the market. That should be your stop loss price or your stop loss area. So like this particular place now, price was coming down, touched this place, went up, then you know built momentum around this area, then went up, came down, tested again, then before continuing its journey. So you see, as price has retested this area, this is the right place to buy. This support area is the right place to buy, and you should sell when it breaks down this support area, like 2 to 5% breakdown. You sell, you've already configured your stop loss. So when there is a 2% to 5% breakdown from support area, automatically it executes a sell and you're out of the market. And if you want to verify, if you look at this, you may say, oh, but it broke to the downside, this support broke. If you look at it, it didn't break up to 2%. Let's measure it here. You will see, you see, it's just 1.52% to the downside, not up to 2%. So you could have, your stop loss will still be safe, and then it comes down again, then goes up, then comes down to retest again, then before it goes up. So your stop loss would have been safe. And if price breaks support to the downside, there is no need staying in such a trade anymore. There's no need staying in such a place trade anymore. So that's it. So the moment price breaks support, most likely it represents a temporal or permanent change in trend. So if you're looking at lower time frames like 1 hour, it may reflect a temporary change in direction. So you don't want to be in such a trade because you don't know how far down the trade will go. So what you should do, the strategy is always buy at support point. Trust me, I've tested this strategy for a long time and it works very well. You buy at support points, then you exit the market when it breaks 2 to 5% from the support area to the downside. It works. Believe me, it's like a magic recipe. I use it consistently for all of my trades. I buy at support point, and buying at support point has also saved me from entering trades prematurely, like being impatient. So I wait for support and then I buy at support point. If it breaks, I exit the market. Simple. If it breaks 2 to 5%, I'm out of the market. So buy at support point, put your stop loss 2 to 5% below the support area. That's the strategy. So, Crypto Wolf here. I'll see you in my next video.